No! Ayun nga po, medyo masaya. Kailangan ko po siyang i-enjoy. Kailangan ko po siyang, alam niyo po yun, kailangan ko po maging masaya sa kahit anong result na mangyari. And I don't expect to myself. But if I will, or if God have another plan, I will not take it for granted. I will gonna make sure things gonna be good.
Sinabi mo, hindi ka prepared masyado ng Jetson. Pero if you were to rate yourself now for this Junior World Championship, so
it's different. Napakalaki po ng diferensya kasi yun nga po, ang dami ko pong skills na nai-add, ang dami ko pong routine na bago. So siguro po mga nasa I would rate this like out of 10. I can rate this 100 out of 10.
Wow.
But the other is inconsistent, but I can still say that this is 100 and I will give my 100.
So, saan mga aparatos mas masasabi na medyo confident ka? Hindi naman super confident.
Floor, high bar, and vault. I am confident on those three.
Sa mental side, Eldro, kasi syempre host tayo. Kamusta naman yung yung sa mental side na syempre part din yan yung sa pressure, dealing with pressure. Kamusta naman yung training?
I really don't think about that anymore like before. Di ko na siya inisip like before na pressure ako, ganito, ganyan. Pero ngayon po ay Coach Munez said that I have to enjoy this. You don't need to pressure yourself. He said that, and then I have to make sure that I enjoy this and just a good routine and good kind of performance. Yan. Kasi hindi ko rin po alam sa Tagalog nun eh. So ayun nga po, performance, kailangan maganda pa rin ng performance. Then ayun po.
So yun nga, last bittersweet ba to na last junior outing mo to before we go to senior play?
Yes, well, this is gonna be my first and last Junior Worlds, and this is my last junior title. But next year, I would be a senior, competing with my brother. Actually, no. Ito ang pinakamasayang araw ko na, ayun, nare-realize ko na tumatanda na ako. Pero kailangan kong tanggapin kasi ito yung binigay sa akin. Ito yung binigay sa ating lahat. Wala nang balikan.
Kailan ka mag-18?
In this January po.
Nga pala, January when?
24. So, I will be 18 next year. Hindi na tayo pabata.
Eldro, na lang, okay lang mag-greet ka lang sa mga Pinoy, invite mo silang manood and support you.
Guys, nood po kayo dito sa Junior World Championship FIG, third FIG Junior World Championship. Dito lang po yan sa Pasay Newport, malapit po sa Terminal 3 Airport. Please watch, guys. Please watch.